Annapolis has 117 homes for sale, down from last week, but new listings are up a scooch. More homes went under contract and pending than in the past week. 21 homes are for lease between $1,575 and $6,000 per month. These numbers continue to reflect a shortage of supply for both resale and for lease properties. It's Friday, March 5th, 2021. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty with your Annapolis Real Estate Report, your weekly snapshot of what's happening at a local level here in Annapolis. 27 homes were listed for sale since last Friday. 16 homes are coming soon. 26 homes went under contract since last week. 45 homes sold over the past week, with the highest sale in Arundel on the Bay for $2,495,000. Interest rates rose a full 15 basis points higher than the week before. This means that rates are now at or over 3%. Predictions are that we will see a steady but slow rise in the interest rates throughout this year to finish out at about 3.5%. You have specific questions? Give me a call at 443-837-5645. Also, be sure to follow us on social media and subscribe to our podcast. Thanks so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing. That's your Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, March 5th, 2021. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty. Thanks for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend, and I'll see you next Friday.